Hello and welcome. Welcome to my next video. It's been a while since I've uploaded. It's been about like 3 and a bit weeks maybe. I don't know, it's been a while. I had a lot of things I needed to do these past few weeks, work related and stuff like that, so I couldn't work on the game as much as I normally do. But it's all good. I still got some work done, so I'm just going to show you in this episode exactly what's been done over the time that I've had to work on the game. So first up, I just created a finite state machine. As you can see, the enemies are pretty jank, and to be honest, they still are, but they're definitely a lot better than this. So I'm just going to take you through exactly what a finite state machine is. A finite state machine is a software design pattern where a given model, in our case an enemy, transitions to other behavioral states through external input. The concept was developed... Yeah, no one cares about the boring history. Let's continue on. So first up, I'm just going to set up my ragdoll for my enemy, because every game with a ragdoll is pretty sweet. And yeah, I gave him a new animation, which is like this crawling animation, which looks actually pretty freaky. And it turned out pretty well, to be honest, and the ragdoll works, which is pretty cool. Nice! So now let's start coding this state machine. So I've just finished the structure of the finite state machine. I've just created a move state and an attack state. As you can see clearly, the move state is working to a degree, and the attack state is definitely not working at all. It's meant to be at a certain range the enemy is meant to attack me, but as you can see, they're just doing some janky stuff. It's actually quite a lot of fun just to look at, so I'm just gonna let the clip roll. So to fix it, I just removed the animation and reset the colliders, and now everything works. The attack state works, he attacks at a certain range, and the move state works, which is pretty nice. But I think that'll be it for today. I am pretty tired, so I'm just going to chill for a bit, and I'm going to continue on tomorrow. So today I thought to give the enemies a little bit of a break and start adding sound in my game and creating the volume options in order to lower the sound effects or the music itself. But here's the sound. So basically what I want to do is, based on these slider values, I want to change the volume. So the best way to do that is use something called player prefs. So with player preference, you are able to store and access data between game sessions. So what I do is I just basically, whenever the user decides to change the volume, I just save that data into a player preferences, and every single time you turn off the application or go back into it, the data is saved. And as you can see, it works perfectly. After the sound effects, I'm just going to jump on and start creating my ranged enemies. A few days later, I decided to create my own prototype level using Pro Builder. I've never done it before, so I was watching heaps of tutorials and I kind of just like learnt the basics of it. And yeah, I was pretty happy with the ending product. It's something small and basic for now. I'm gonna set up spawners and eventually create interactable doors and stuff like that. It's given me a bit of a Doom feeling, which is I thought pretty cool. I then created open and close door animations. These are going to be triggers, so whenever you kill a certain amount of enemies in an area, it will trigger off the door and the door will open, and then which will allow you to go through to the next area. So here's just a quick overview of the level, or a walkthrough per se. It is incomplete. I haven't fully modeled the rest of the level. I haven't these aren't the final spawns or how I'm going to introduce new enemies and stuff like that. Just for now, just to see what type of feel I want. After this big area here, that big door is going to open, and then that will lead you to outside, which will be a bit more open, kind of like a Serious Sam type level. But I also want to incorporate my new grappling hook, which I'm not going to show you guys this episode. And yeah. So yeah, that'll be the end of this episode, guys. Once again, I just want to say sorry for not uploading for a very long time. I had work and I had things that I needed to do, and life happens, I guess. But I will try to upload as frequently as I can. I do want to show updates on my game, and I do want to be working on my game every single day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And of course, if you didn't like it, go for that dislike button. Thanks, guys. God bless and have a good day.